Hello again. Welcome back to my shed. Thanks for popping in. I've got a knife today. It's one that I bought off a liquidation site that I've been buying off. So it's an electric knife. Now for some reason my wife's always wanted one of these. I don't understand why. We've got knives, but I think she thinks the electric ones are a little bit better. I don't know. Anyway, I got this one. Cost a couple of £3. weren't too much. In fact, I'll have a look on Amazon and see how much it is. So we're looking for a Haushof. That household name. Electric carving knife set. That's what this is. That's the one. There you go, $35.99. I wouldn't have paid anything near that. So I've had a look back. I actually paid £3.90. So, well, a tenth of the price, really, isn't it? Oh, it was $39.99 on Amazon when it was sold originally. So the problem with buying off liquidation sites or Amazon return sites, you never know what you're going to get. So basically this is an Amazon return, but it was returned because it was faulty. Now what I could do is put it on eBay as spares and repair and sell it for almost what it's worth, because that's what it seems to be nowadays. If something's broken on eBay, you almost pay as much as what you would if it was brand new. But I'm not sensible. And I need to waste some time in my shed, so I'm going to try and fix it. So the problem with it is, it doesn't work. So the switch is there, but there's nothing to press, there's nothing there. The rubber's pushed in and the switch isn't there. So the only thing I can do is take it apart. I mean, it comes with quite a lot of stuff. It comes with a blade, which is 2 blades. And it comes with a blade, which I guess is more for bread. And it comes with a meat fork. USB-C charger cable. And this really nice presentation box, so it will go really nice in the drawer in the kitchen. Alright, so let's try and get inside this Haushof. I suppose what I ought to do really is try it with the blading, because there might be a safety cut off. I mean, whichever way it goes, it's going to have to come apart because, oops, it'll go, yeah, it'll be a trigger. So pop that in there. Yeah, the trigger's got a button, there's nothing there. Oh, I can actually feel the button there for some reason. So it's probably got a flat battery as well, but we'll sort that out after. What do I do this? Yeah, that's right. Ah. There's the squirrel. Yes, 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 good morning. Just keep a fairly low heat. Just warm the sticker up, see if I can get it off without damaging it. Success. Still doesn't want to seem to open at that end though. I'm really not sure about this. This is my blunt pick, so I don't mind bending these ones. They're solid. Ah, it's full of grease. Oh no. Let's get some gloves. Yeah, and I'm stuck now. So that really doesn't feel like. Oops. Oh, it is coming undone. I actually thought this piece might be welded, but there's actually a gap there now. Oh no. I'm wondering if I can. But I don't think there's anything wrong with that switch. I think it was just this was out of place. I'm going to keep the knife in the sheath. One, so I don't get too greasy, and two, just because I like saying sheath. That's trigger, so that goes that way. Right, it might be flat. I wonder what this bit was for. I'm guessing that was for the lock. In fact, yeah, and now I don't know how to unlock it. Ha! There we go. Whoa, dangerous. Okay. So it is working, just needs a bit of charge. So it was just the position of the button, and now I've got the job of trying to get it back together again. And I think that's going to be easier said than done. I think that just goes in there, and that just goes over the top of it. Does that seem right? Not really. Huh. So it goes in there, and you have to push it down. To unlock it. Well, that doesn't need another spring, it's already sprung loaded. Which means that's from somewhere else, and I don't know where it's come from. Oh no. That's got its spring. That's a switch. No, it's going that way. No, it's going that way. They're locked. They're unlocked. So where has that come from? I'm going to have to replay the video to see if I can find out where that fell out. If I can, I'll try and splice it in here in the edit. That sounds right. Right, well, it's nearly time for work, so I'm going to have to leave this until tomorrow. So I'll go to work, and then I'll come back to this tomorrow morning and have a look back through the video. Do it live actually, just see if I can see where it fell out, and then if I can't see where it fell out, maybe you can see where it fell out. We'll find out. Right, whoa. That's my protective box, nearly broke my foot. Okay, I'll be back in a minute. Well, this is the thing, it's not very often I'll say I'll come back tomorrow and carry on, but here I am. It's actually tomorrow and I'm ready to carry on. So, and with it being such a short time, I actually remember what I'm doing. So I'm about to go through the video. Let's come down here onto the desktop. This is the one that's recording now. This is the one that I started to do yesterday before I ran out of time. So this one, this is the one. Here's the spring, so it's already out. And with a bit of luck, oh blimey, how do you watch this? So it's on the other side, this is the top. I need to see here. There it is. Come on, Windows. Oh, this drag's no good at all, is it? No, I've lost it again. There it is. It's going across. Okay. There you go. That's handy. Right. Here we go. Yeah, that feels about right. So now all I need to do is get this back into place. And this actually don't know if I can show it. But there's actually a slot there and a slot there. And it's shaped like that. So it'll go over the button. zoom in a bit more. Okay, see the slots a bit better now. So the button will go over the switch, and then I can, oops, go over the switch and I can just tuck the lugs into there. And that is it. Just squeeze these two halves together. Pop these 6 screws back in. Done. Now let's see if we can get rid of some of these greasy finger marks. And finally, one last thing to do. Whoop. Done. My tea's not even gone cold yet. Right, so I've put it back together. I haven't actually turned it on yet. Let's have a look. I haven't even got any meat in here to cut, so, you know, can't put it through its paces. I can't really give you a review of how good or bad it actually is. That's got a lovely click to it now. Hopefully it's off. Still off. Oh, we're gonna. How should you do it from on? Okay, there we go. Well, it takes a couple of seconds to switch it on. Seems alright, doesn't it? Right, I haven't actually got any meat in the shed, but I have got some insulating foam. So I think I can roll this up into a little meatloaf, and hopefully, let's see. Oh, wrong button now. Here we go. Well, you know, that's quite good. It works well. I might keep it in here. I might keep this video a secret. There's a light on it. Yeah, I might keep this a secret, and new tool for the shed, isn't it? Still not gold. So there we go. Not a great fix again, you know, it was a loose button, but we got to see inside a little bit. Didn't really want to risk forcing it completely apart just in case it broke. But yeah, maybe the next one will be a more interesting fix. So consider subscribing, and then maybe I'll find something a bit more interesting next time in my shed. But thanks for watching. Bye bye.